Got a job for you.
Well, if it pays right and it's legal, I'll do it.
It's not strictly legal.
Well, pays right, I'll do it. You want me to kill him?
Well.
Well, what?
What do you think?
I'm supposed to do a murder. Or two murders. Trust you not to go simple on me and do something stupid. I mean, really stupid. Now, why should I trust you?